Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to integrate BoldDesk with the Dropbox app. We need to register the Dropbox app and then install and configure it in BoldDesk. In addition, I will also explain how to browse and attach files to tickets from the Dropbox. The integration of the Dropbox app enables agents to share files with customers and tickets. This integration also provides access to all Dropbox files and folders. First, let's look at how to register a Dropbox app. Open and sign into the Dropbox app console. Then, click the Create App button. On the Create New App page, select the Scoped Access option under the Choose an API section, then select the Full Dropbox option to choose the type of access you need. Next, provide the name of your app, and click the Create App option. Under the Chooser, or Saver, or Embedder Domains field, add your BoldDesk portal domain and click the Add button. Following that, copy the app key from the Settings tab to be used during the Dropbox installation process. On your Dropbox homepage, you can add folders and then files using the Upload or Create Files or Folders options. Now, let me show you how to install and configure the Dropbox app in BoldDesk. First, sign in to BoldDesk as an administrator, then click the Admin menu and select Marketplace. Here, search and select the Dropbox. Click on the Install button to open the Dropbox configuration page. In the Account tab, enter the app key that you'd copied when registering the Dropbox app, and click the Next option. Under the app permission, select the roles you want to give access to and click the Save button to save the changes. Finally, let's look at how to attach files from the Dropbox to the tickets. Navigate to the Tickets module and open a ticket. In the Ticket Text Editor's Reply and Notes pages, click the Browse option and select Dropbox to open a file selection window. Here, search and choose the files you want to attach to a ticket. The attached files can be viewed in the File tab in the Ticket Details page. That's all there is to it. Let me summarize. In this video, I have explained how to register and install the Dropbox app. I also explained how to search and attach files from the Dropbox to BoldDesk tickets. If you find this video useful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.